Hey there, paper crafters. My name is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I am here to share with you the details for the April 2024 class to go. So this month, Laura and I have chosen to feature the Ice Cream Swirl bundle from the January to April mini catalog, and I was so excited to see that these products are carrying over to the next annual catalog, which begins in May. However, you will not be able to get them at bundle pricing. So in the new catalog, you'll be able to purchase the stamp set and the die set separately, but you will not be able to bundle them together and save 10%. So if this bundle is on your list, then you'll definitely want to pick it up before the end of April. All right, so this month's class to go, we've combined this bundle with the Just Kidding DSP also from the January to April mini catalog. This pattern paper is not carrying over. We're going to use the B-sides for the class, but it's got such a fun A side as well. There's all these cute little kids doing different things, reading and doing crafts and playing outside. It's such a fun DSP, but this B side will definitely work better with the projects that we're going to create using the Ice Cream Swirl stamp set or bundle. All right, so let me explain to you the different options and what's included, and I'll share a peek of the cards at the end. So option number one, if you live in Canada, this can ship anywhere for just $5. Option number one will give you half a package of the patterned paper. It'll give you a package of the iridescent pearls, basic jewels, 2 yards of the herringbone ribbon, which is such a great ribbon. This can be stamped on, it can be colored, it can be, you can take it apart and use the fibers. So it's a great ribbon, and it is retiring as well. So you get all of this plus the 6 card kits. So these are 6 unique cards. So they are not, you don't get 2 of each of 3 designs. They are 6 different cards, including envelopes and an emailed PDF, which includes a full supply list, measurements, photos, and links to videos for all 6 projects. Okay, so all of that for just $40 plus $5 shipping. Again, I can ship anywhere in Canada. So that is option number one. Option number two, if you don't already have this Ice Cream Swirl bundle, or maybe you have a really long wish list, then if you spend $100 from my online store using the class host code, which will be in the description below, then I will send you 2 yards of the ribbon, the tutorial, and all 6 card kits as a thank you gift, and that is absolutely free, no extra charge. So why $100? Because that includes the Ice Cream Swirl bundle, a package of the Just Kidding DSP, and the iridescent basic pearls, 8 basic jewels. So you'll have everything that you need with the package that I send you to create the cards. Okay. Now, like I said, if you already have some of this stuff, but you have other things on your wish list, as long as your order totals $100 before shipping and tax and uses that host code so that I know that you want the class kits, then I will ship you the ribbon, the class kits, and email you the tutorial for free. All right. And then, of course, I know many of you are not in Canada and like to participate in the classes that we put together. So if that is the case, you can purchase the tutorial only. It will be linked in the description below. And then, of course, if you are a member of my Treasure Stampers team, you can get the class kits, which include everything that you need except the DSP. You'll have to have the DSP on hand, and of course the bundle, for just $15 plus shipping. Okay, so those are the details for the kits. Now let me slide this aside. As for the supplies that you'll need, you will need a Memento ink pad or a black ink pad, and then the following colors or colors similar. So I've used Early Espresso, Pecan Pie, Cherry Cobbler, Berry Burst, Bubble Bath, and Crumb Cake. And again, if you don't have these exact colors but have something similar, that will work just fine. And then, of course, we need some way to color in our images. So we've used the Stampin' Blends. So we've used Bubble Bath, Cherry Cobbler, Old Olive, Pecan Pie, and then We've also used a black Stampin' Write marker as well. Again, if you don't have these exact same colors, that's fine. Or if you prefer to color in using a different method than maybe a water painter and your ink pads, then just switch out your black Memento for a black StazOn, and you can use your ink pads and a water painter. Okay, now are you ready for a peek at the cards? Okay, so we've got this one, had to throw in a slimline card, this one, and this one. So if you'd like to participate, make sure that you check the link below to find all of the details and the deadline to register. And I look forward to seeing you in class. Thank you so much. Take care.